Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authenticate with STR to access comps and occupancy data, detailed guide step by step clearly. To begin, open your preferred web browser. Navigate to the STR website. Look for the login option on the homepage. Click on the login button to proceed. You will be directed to the authentication page. Enter your registered email address in the designated field. Next, input your password in the password field. Ensure both entries are correct before continuing. Click on the Submit button to proceed. If your credentials are valid, you will be redirected to your STR dashboard. In case you forget your password, click on the Forgot Password link. Follow the instructions provided to reset your password. Once logged in, locate the Comps and Occupancy Data section on your dashboard. Click on that section to access the data you need. Familiarize yourself with the layout of the data offerings. You can filter results based on your specific needs. Use the search bar to look for specific properties or metrics. Once you find the desired data, you can download or export it as needed. For any issues with authentication, refer to the Help section or contact support. Ensure you log out at the end of your session for security. This concludes your guide on authenticating with STR to access comps and occupancy data. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.